Welcome everyone, Karen Itin here. I'd like to introduce you to my book, The Art of Tailoring, Step-by-Step Skills That Can Lead to a Career. I haven't really done much of promoting my book, so I'd like to do a little bit of that today. It's a wonderful book that can tell you a little bit more about me, my life, and it can also tell you how to do each step when it comes to doing alterations and tailoring for the public, right? So, and that's what everybody wants, right? We all want to make sales, and I have 25 years of experience in doing alterations. I took some time off to write this book. It had been in my head for a long time, and it was just, I just wanted to get it out of me, right? I kept thinking about writing the book, and I didn't get a chance to ever have enough time to finish the book or to get it completed while I was working. So I took some time off to take some classes. I took some time off to write, and this is one of the books that I wrote. I also have an ebook about customer service on Amazon, on Kindle. I also have 5 meditations in the book, 111 Morning Meditations by 86 different co-authors from around the world. And so I do a little bit of writing. Right now I'm working on a poetry and art book. And so anyway, I want to introduce you to this book today. It is a wonderful book. It is for someone who is really serious about learning the technique of tailoring, who really wants to eventually not only maybe make clothes or be able to alter clothes, but also for the person who is ready to start an alteration shop or a tailor shop and really wants the experience of knowing how to do each one of the tasks that are mentioned in this book, so they're able to do it. So it just starts off with just a little bit of artwork here. It starts off with my story, my business, my story. Well, this part is to the people who have helped me throughout my life to get this far. And then it has all the different contents about what's in the book, right? So it goes into setting up shop. And this book I'm using as when I am offering my tailoring program, it will be based off of this book. So if you sign up with me to go through the tailoring alteration program to learn alterations to be able to start your own business, it's based off of this book. So so it'll go through how to set up shop, marking garments for fittings, men's suit jackets, leather coat, lengthened sleeve, facing fabrics, lengthened sleeves, take in sides of jacket, center seams, take in and let out, lower collar, raised back, shape lapels, take in shoulders of a jacket, close back vent, sweat shields, elbow patches, shortened suit jacket, pant alterations, plain hems, ladies pant hems, lengthened pants, lengthen and face hem, jean type hem, cuff on an outside of pant, and work pants hem and taper the legs. And it just really has a whole bunch. It keeps going on and on and on. So it also has jean waist, replace zipper, making pants into shorts, suspender buttons, top stitch pleats in pants, belt loops, dress shirts, move vent on shirt sleeve, make sleeves into short sleeves, taper sides of shirt, shorten shirt, square off shirt bottom, shorten outer coat of sleeves, shorten outer coat hem, tucks jacket sleeves, make sweater sleeves into arm warmers, helpful hints, mend a sweater, jean rivet, replace the pull on a zipper, reinforce buttons, face sleeve linings, helpful tips, ironing a shirt, supplies for alteration, bonus tips, different types of stitches, fabric for the shop, threads, and so it just goes on and on and on and on about the different tasks. So there's 97 different tasks that you can make money from, right? You can learn it right in this book. And then it goes into the introduction, how I learned my trade. It goes into that. And then it starts off with setting up shop. And it tells you all of this. And this is all based off of my own experience of 25 years. So it has men's suit jackets in here, shortened sleeves, and then it goes on to lengthened sleeves, shortened sleeves, and then it goes on to lengthened sleeves. And so it just really goes over all the different tasks and to how to do it. And then, but there are some people who are just very new at this. It also has a helpful tips in the back, like for taking off lipstick and ink and, you know, different fabric, like different, you know, stains like that and how to get it out. Ironing a shirt, and just all kinds, shops for the fabric. Fabric for your shop, sorry. And talks about a little bit of different types of fabrics. Man-made fabrics, natural fabrics, and all of that. So it is a really wonderful book, and then it has a little bit more about me, the author, in the back of the book, and so it's a really great way to get started. So I know there are a lot of people who would like to get started, but they're just like, well, I don't know what I can offer. I don't know how to do the actual task, right? I don't know how to do the jobs, right? So if you would reach out to me, I'd love to put you on the waiting list for my alteration program, so you could get started and you can learn the task, not only from this book, but also hands-on instruction from me how to do the task. Because there's a lot of people out there who are hands-on people, right? They don't learn by reading something in a book. They learn by doing, right? They learn by watching someone else do it. And they're better able to complete the task and to be able to practice the task and offer the task if they see it done hands-on, if they're able to see it demonstrated, right? So that's the reason I wanted to do this book today, because I'm welcoming any of you. You're invited to reach out to me and to get on the waiting list for this wonderful program, to be able to learn the task of tailoring, to be able to alter for the public, and to be able to start making your own income. And the program is going to go more in depth than even this book. It's going to help you to be able to make something for another stream of income for your slow time. It's going to be able to help you to market and promote yourself online, to be present online. It's going to be able to offer you so much more, right? Just a number of things that you won't get anywhere else. You won't get these tailoring tools, tailoring tips. I know there's someone else out there promoting tailoring, but what they're offering is totally different than this hands-on tailoring book, you know, and the guide to go along with it. They're offering how to make things, how to make a dress, how to make a suit, how to make things, you know. But if you want to make the faster money, you want to be able to do the alterations and turn around money fast and to be able to make good income, you really need to learn the tailoring task, and you need to learn it hands-on. And so you're able to really sink your whole self into this program and really be able to do it, right? You want to be able to actually perform the task to make the money, right? It takes a little bit of practice, and it takes to have, you know, some of your supplies on hand and things. But once you do, you're able to, you know, work in a clean environment, be able to set your own hours, be able to take vacations when you want, not your job telling you when you can take vacation. Set your own prices. That's huge. You can set your prices high. You can set your prices, you know, however you want to. And that way you're able to make the income you want, right? And I don't know of any other place where you're able to, you know, unless you have your own business, where you can set your own prices and make the dollars you expect to make, right? So, so I'm offering this to you. I'm going to put the link in my description below where you can go on Amazon and purchase the book. And I'm also going to, you know, give you permission to email me or to message me directly to be able to get on the waiting list for this wonderful program. I'm only going to be taking in a small number of people. I like working in small groups. So if you want to get in, you need to take action today and really, take action and get in contact with me, because when this is ready, when the program is finished to be written and is ready for you to start implementing it, and for me to be showing you how to do the task, and me to be in touch with you every week, one-on-one calls, so to see if you have any issues, you have any problems with the task. I help you through, any issues that you may have, so you're able to be your own boss and to be your own business, right? So we want to empower you and to be able to really make you feel confident in running your own alteration shop and running your own business and tailor shop, and to really know the skills and to learn the skills and to be able to set up a really nice business for yourself where you can make income for you yourself. You can raise your family on it. I raised a family of 4 on my income from my alteration shop for years, and I'm sure you can do it just as good. And I'd be right there every step of the way helping you along. So go ahead and reach out to me. I'd love to be in contact with you if you have an interest in this, and to be able to walk you through this program. It's going to be a wonderful opportunity for a few. I'm only taking in a few at this time. So please reach out to me and I will get you on the waiting list, and we can get you started with the alteration task and program, right? So thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. Go ahead and purchase the book if you'd like. You can go to Amazon and purchase the book. And you can also reach out to me and get on the waiting list, and we will be starting this program here pretty soon. I'm in the midst of, finish writing it, and you're going to learn so much. You're going to be able to be very successful. So thank you so much, and I look forward to talking to you all soon. And please subscribe to this channel. It helps me with the algorithm, and it helps me to get my numbers up there so I can continue to keep bringing you good content. Okay, thanks so much. Bye-bye.